Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a healthy and delicious recipe for Swede and carrot pork fillet soup. This soup is perfect for a cold day or when you're feeling under the weather. So, let's get started. Peel the carrots. Chop the carrots into pieces. Peel the Swede and chop it into thin pieces. In Hong Kong, people use green radish to make the soup. However, green radish cannot be found in local groceries. Slice the pork fillet into several pieces. Put the carrots, Swede and pork fillet to the stock pot. Then add 3 pieces of date and 1 cube of crushed ginger. Pour in 2.5 liters of water. Heat up the pot over medium-high heat. Bring the soup to a boil, then skim the foam off. Once the foam is cleared, reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for about 2 hours until the vegetables and pork are fully cooked. If you have a vacuum thermal insulation cooker, simply put the pot in the cooker and let it simmer for about 6 hours. Add 1 tablespoon of salt when the soup is fully cooked. And there you have it, a delicious and healthy recipe for Swede and carrot pork fillet soup. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and give this recipe a try. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know how it turns out. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching.